Introducing the Cordless Grass Shear Garden Tool from Tiankin, a leading supplier of electric tools for over 10 years. This innovative garden tool is designed to make your gardening tasks easier and more efficient. This tool is a versatile and powerful cordless grass shear that is perfect for trimming hedges and shaping shrubs. With a DC voltage of 20 volts, this tool provides ample power to tackle various gardening tasks. The hedge trimmer blade has a cutting length of 180 millimeters, while the grass shear blade boasts a width of 100 millimeters, allowing for precise and clean cuts. Equipped with a laser blade, this tool ensures accuracy and precision while trimming. The quick blade change feature allows for seamless transition between tasks, saving you time and effort. Additionally, the dual-move blade design enhances maneuverability, making it easier to reach tight spaces and angles in your garden. The tool operates at a null load speed of 1,150 RPM and has a null load runtime of 70 minutes, providing long-lasting performance to get the job done. Despite its powerful performance, this cordless grass shear is lightweight, weighing just 1.4 kilograms, reducing fatigue during extended use. At Tiankin, we are committed to providing high-quality electric power tools, garden tools, and accessories for both industrial and household use. With our extensive experience and dedication to innovation, we strive to offer products that meet the needs of our customers. The tool is a testament to our commitment to excellence and our passion for delivering reliable and efficient tools for all your gardening needs.
Find Supply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform